mangishiyelana namathemba mangishiyelana namathemba logo-ke loyangimangalisa logo-ke loyangimangalisa logo-ke loyangimangalisa logo-ke loyangimangalisa mangi wanintandane eyayihle phansi komthunzi loyangimangalisa hawu ngayibuza igama layo ayiphendulanga yapha phansi yaze yakhala izinyembezi nomathemba wangishiya sele ngedwa nomathemba wangishiya sele ngedwa kunomathemba mama wangishiya sekolile sengedwa kunomathemba mama wangishiya semnambini ngedwa kunomathemba.
Sit in the government beer halls and get drunk. Boycott these places. The beer that you drink buys the bullets that kill your
What are you doing?
Brilliant!
Oh, like father, like son.
To your family!
To our headmaster!
Coming, Gordon.
Yes, Mr. Ben. Jonathan will come and help me.
How is Jonathan? The algebra still giving him trouble?
He's working hard, Mr. Ben. Your money will not be wasted. Emily and me will always thank you.
Fine. See you later, Gordon.
Bye-bye, Mr. Ben.
Just like you.
Be gentle with Grandpa.
Okay.
Grandpa. Smell. Almost ready, Chris. 20 minutes.
No, come on, keep your hands off, man. 5, 8, yarn, man, come on, bring it. Oh. Next time you get a 4.
Jonathan.
I'm sorry, Gordon, but they must have had a reason.
I know my son, Mr. Ben. If he says he was not doing anything, I believe him.
The court didn't. Was he represented?
Our lawyer, Julius Nwakula, is in detention. That's why I came to you, Mr. Ben.
I'll be there in a minute. Get some iodine, will you?
God. Yeah.
Jonathan, did you tell the court exactly what happened?
What does he know about court? Before he knew, it was all over. We need a good lawyer, Mr. Ben.
It's too late for a lawyer, Gordon. There's nothing to be done now.
You don't understand, Mr. Ben. I don't want him to have a police record. It will be there for the rest of his life.
Such a minor matter. Let it go, Gordon. Yeah. Put that on his backside and...
I'm not worried about those wounds. I know they'll get better. It's the wounds here. These are the ones I worry about.
There's nothing to be done.
Cuts look terrible, Pa.
Must have done something.
What happened to him?
Court sentenced him to a caning.
These kids are going mad. Bloody savages. The only language they understand is force.
I thought the idea was to give them their own homelands. Let them live with their own kind. No conflict then. Everybody's happy.
Come on. Enough talk. Let's eat.
I don't care what other parents are saying. Now listen to me. I tell you, no demonstrations. Tomorrow you go to school.
But there'll be nobody at school, Baba.
Then you and Robert will be the only ones. What do I say to Mr. Ben? Thank you for the school fees, but my son doesn't want to learn?
Let Mr. Ben keep his white money for his poor education. We want to learn in English. We don't want to learn Afrikaans.
But in Tula!
You don't understand, Baba. They don't want us to be really educated. If we learn in Afrikaans, we have no future, Baba. They want us to be messenger boys, mine boys.
And garden boys like me.
Yes, Baba. Everybody knows that you're a wise man. Everybody comes to ask your advice. And they respect you. You should be a lawyer, Baba. But what are you?
Amandla!
This is a peaceful demonstration. We know the police will come, but be calm, be cool. Remember, this is a protest march. We are not here to fight the police. Let's go!
Anti-education! Anti-education! Sizo Bashaya! Bashaya! Sizo Bashaya! Sizo
demonstration. I order you to disperse immediately.
Komm zusammen mit mir. No!
Tell me again. You were there when all this happened?
Yes, Baba.
And you say you saw everything?
Yes, Baba.
Are you sure it was Jonathan they took away?
Yes, Baba Gordon. And they arrested Wellington too.
It's hell out there. I've been like an ambulance all day taking children to the hospital. One even died in the car. God knows how many of the bastards killed. It's happening in Alexander, Springs, all the townships.
Stanley, they've arrested Jonathan.
He's not on the list.
Okay, Basi, but is that all the names, Basi?
I've told you, he's not in custody. Are you trying to make me out as a
No,
liar?
no, near Basi. Yeah?
Why don't you try the hospital, the mortuary?
Yeah, I will, Basi.
Next.
What about headquarters, Basi? Jan Foster Square, Basi.
That's enough. Move on.
Okay, thank you, Basi.
It's 3 this morning, Pa. Hi, Gordon.
Gordon, where have you been the last 2 days? Hello, champ. Gordon? I'm talking to you. What's the trouble, man?
They arrested Jonathan.
Not again. What for?
There's big trouble in the townships. They're killing our children.
Gordon.
I saw the bodies, Mr. Ben, and many have been detained. I went to the hospital, to the mortuary, everywhere. The police deny they've got Jonathan. He disappeared.
Why didn't you tell me?
I am telling you.
Let me see what I can find out. Ian McKinsey, please. Benjamin Dutoy. We met at Peter Crozier's.
En hij valt van die dak en die kast.
Ben, telefoon.
did they say he died, Mr. Ben?
In the rioting.
In the rioting?
And they buried him, is all I know. When nobody came to claim the body.
They buried him where?
I don't know.
You don't know?
If that was all Mr. Mackenzie could find out.
Then I'll find out. As God is my witness, I'll find out what really happened and where he lies.
Please, Gordon. It's a terrible thing, but there's really nothing more we can do, you or I.
That's what you said when they whipped him. But he's my child. His body belongs to Emily and me.
Now who got it?
Bed already?
Come, bed, sweetheart. Sleep. He's taking this hard. God, I haven't seen that in years.
Jonathan made it, remember?
Mm-hmm. Come to bed.
Yeah. I'll be in a minute.
Okay.
Excuse me, sir. Yeah. Have you seen this boy inside? No, I didn't see him. This is my own child. They took him in. I didn't see him. Did you see this child inside? He's my son. Inside there.
Good. Let's go. Emily.
Julius Ngabula, our lawyer.
Konzo. So you are the cleaner at John Foster Square?
Yes, sir.
How long have you worked there?
20 years, sir.
Where did you see Jonathan?
I saw him in the cell, Mr. Julius.
Did you speak to him?
I talked to him and said, my child, what have they done to you? But he could not answer. And then a policeman came.
Mubani.
It's me, Wellington.
Wellington?
They released me this afternoon. My mother said to reach to see me.
Yes.
What have they done to you?
2 times. They put a wet bag on my head. You can't breathe, Papa. You think you're going to die. They never stopped, Papa. They kept asking who were the ringleaders. But what can I tell them? I know nothing. I heard Jonathan next door. He was screaming in Afrikaans. I said, leave me pass. Please me pass. Then it was very quiet. And the man said, come on, Kubene. Get up. Stop pretending. That's all I know, Papa. Later, somebody said he was taken to the hospital. I never saw him again.
Kom aan, dan gaan man. Kom, maar kom. Dan gaan we. Hey, dan.
Take the bastard away.
Told you this man was trouble. Come on, help us.
The Afrikaners suffered under the British rule and decided to trek to the interior to find land far from the British. On the Great Trek, they had to fight many native tribes, the Khoisos, Zulus, Tswanas, Basutus, and many others. They beat them, and they had farms all over South Africa.
All right, little monkeys. Down with them. Thank you, Swanepoel.
Meneer?
You wanted to see me?
I'm sorry, Mr. Ben. My name is Emily. Gordon is my husband.
What's happened? I have an appointment with Colonel Falcune. My name is Benjamin Dictor.
Sign this form, please.
En die vrouw is zoals een olifantgebouw. En 15 kinders. Tot ziens.
Meneer de Toy?
Kom in, meneer de Toy.
Colonel Falcune, Captain Stotts. Pleasure to meet you. I used to watch you play for the Transvaal. You were one of the great fly halves.
That was a long time ago.
Would you sign an autograph for my son?
With great pleasure. What's his name?
Yanni. My son will be thrilled.
He plays rugby?
Soccer.
Traitor.
Thanks very much.
Thank you.
See you later, Colonel.
Please sit down. So, you're inquiring about detainee Gordon Gubene?
Yes. I thought there might have been some kind of misunderstanding and that I could help straighten out.
Misunderstanding?
I've known Gordon Gubene over 15 years, Colonel. He's an honest, diligent, hard-working African. I can't imagine why he's being detained.
You'd be surprised how many honest church-going Bantu we come across during a working day. Military, our task is not an easy one. The press screaming bloody murder, especially the English, and they'll be the first to squeal if the Reds took over. Make no mistake. We're just doing our job. I'm sure you understand.
Of course I understand, Colonel. I know how complex your position is. I was just trying to say that we're only human, and we can all make a mistake.
Oh, yeah, we can indeed. Meridoi, we can indeed.
And I think one might have been made here.
Would you mind if I ask you a few questions about Ngubeni?
I'd welcome it.
Did he ever discuss his son's death with you?
I was the one who broke the news to him.
But he accepted the truth.
Well, he was upset, of course. But he's a religious man, and in time he will resign himself to it, I'm sure.
You mean he hasn't? Was he angry? Rebellious?
Oh, come along, Colonel. If someone told you that your child had died and wouldn't tell you how it happened or where the body was buried, wouldn't you be upset?
We told him how his son died, and when the time is right, we will tell him where he's buried.
But what are you waiting for?
You have a son, Benedetto.
Yes?
Does he burn and destroy everything he can lay his hands on? No, and neither does mine. It's what I can't understand after everything the government does for them with an open heart. Think about it. We're for you, not against you.
Believe me, I'm with you all the way, Colonel.
If Ngobeni is the innocent man you claim, he will be released soon. You have my word.
Thank you, Colonel. May I ask a favor? Gordon's wife is very worried. May she bring him a change of clothes and some food?
Of course, no problem. And thank you for your help.
Thank you.
Come on, you bloody bastard. Who else has been feeding you this bullshit?
Why don't you answer, Gaffer? Who told you to collect the affidavits?
I want my son's body.
All right, Gaffer. Let's start again.
Sir Party, get the drinks ready, would you? What do you want?
Sorry, madam. We have come to see Mr. Ben. I am Gordon's wife.
The teeth were in the pocket of the shirt she exchanged the clean one for. Yes. One moment. One of his partners can see you immediately. Yes. Look. Peterson. 22. Hilldown Road. Got it. Thank you. I'm sorry to have done this to you on a Saturday, Mr. Mackenzie, but... Yes. Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ben.
You must not give up hope, Emily.
Hope's a white word, Lanny. It's not hope we need. Come, Sissy. Tomorrow it will be all first class again.
Why would they arrest an innocent man then? Our special branch is too busy rounding up terrorists and communists.
These are not nice times, Ben. There are subversives everywhere.
Anton, you know Gordon. He's a gardener, for God's sake.
I don't know anything about Gordon, Ben. Neither do you. He tends the flowers, he trims the hedges. That's all I know about him.
Ben, blacks lead double lives. One you see and one you don't.
That's what I like about them.
Trust me. They'll smile at you one moment and knife you the next.
All Gordon was trying to do was find his son's body. That's not a crime.
Then he has nothing to worry about.
Except his teeth.
How do you feel today? Ready to talk or ready to fly?
Captain? Don't ever open that door without knocking.
Yes, Captain. Yes, Captain.
You think it'll be ready for Pete's birthday?
Steadily.
Gordon is dead. They say he committed suicide. Hanged himself.
My God. Why would he commit suicide?
I said they say he committed suicide.
What do you mean?
What do I mean? What about Timol, who they say jumped from the 10th floor? What about Ngule? What about Musala, Joey, Malele? I've got 37 others for you. They all died in that John Foster Square. All suicide, huh?
Where's his body?
In Soweto?
I'd like to see him.
Look, I came here to deliver Emily's message, that's all.
Don't be silly, Ben.
I want to see him, Susan.
There are riots all over Soweto. Don't look for trouble, man.
I want to see him.
You're out of it, so stay out of it.
I'll drive myself then.
What you gonna do? Let me buy yourself a map?
Yay, yay, yay. Yay, yay, yay. Yay, yay, yay.
Lie on your move!
Ungikhalela abantwana bami, ungikhalela ingane zami bami. Ungivulelana abantwana bethu.
Okay, finish. Kusasa, eh? Kusasa. Welcome to the land of love and glory. Come on. Hurry.
Let's stand it. We'll stop it then, Chuck. There,
Okay.
put your hand in.
Okay. Malo. Umlunganga ubenda. Savuka. Umnyaka. Vula. Vula food.